Right, so we're gonna be doing third grade worksheet lesson 9. So let's start off by writing the time using AM or PM. So AM basically means morning, and we would use AM when it's between midnight until just before noon. PM is like saying afternoon and evening, and we would use this when we're referring to the second part of the day. So number one, we eat dinner at 6:15. 6:15 is we eat dinner at nighttime, so this would be PM. Number two, school starts at 8:20. This is in the morning, so it'd be AM. 3, do homework at 4:35. This would be PM because it's after 12, which is noon. Number 4, moon shines at 8:45. The moon shines when it's nighttime, and nighttime is PM. Number 5, we eat lunch at 12:10. This is also PM because it's past noon, which is 12 o'clock. Number 6, recess at 10:17. 10:17 is in the morning. Recess is in the morning, so it would be AM. Number 7, sun rises at 5:30. This is also in the morning, so it would be AM. School ends at 3:10. This school ends at the second part of the day, afternoon, which is PM. Number 9, go to bed at 8:45. This happens at nighttime, which is PM. Number 10, eat breakfast at 8. We eat breakfast in the morning, so this last one would be AM. Now, moving on to classifying these triangles through checking the relevant boxes. So to define it by sides, equilateral has 3 equal sides, isosceles has 2 equal sides, and scalene has no equal sides. To define it by angles, right triangles have 1 angle equal to 90 degrees. Acute have all 3 angles less than 90, and obtuse has 1 angle above 90 degrees. So using this information, let's fill out this chart. We can see that this triangle has 1 right triangle here, so we already know that this one would be right. And for the sides, all of them have different side lengths, meaning that it's scalene because none of the sides are the same length. Now this one, we can see that there's 2 with 8 inches, meaning that it'd be isosceles because there's 2 equal sides. And for these angles, none of these angles look to be a right angle or above 90 degrees, which means it's acute. This triangle has 1 right angle here, so we can check that one out. And again, just like the first triangle, there's no equal sides anywhere, side lengths. So this one would also be scalene. This triangle has all equal side lengths, meaning it's equilateral. And it's the same shape as the second triangle. And that triangle is acute, so this one's acute because none of these angles are above 90 degrees. Now moving on to the last one. 6, 8, 4. None of those are equal, so it's scalene. And this angle right here is above 90 degrees because a right angle would be this, which is 90, and this angle is larger than that, so it would be obtuse. Now moving on to finding the missing number. 1 nickel equals 5 cents. And 5 pennies is just 1 cent. So it'd be 5 pennies would be 1 nickel. Number 2, 2 quarters equals blank pennies. 2 quarters equals 50 cents. And pennies is just 1 cent per penny. So that'd be 50. Number 3, 1 dime equals blank pennies. A dime is just 10 cents. And 1 penny is just 1 cent. So again, it'd just be 10 cents. Number 4, 4 quarters equals blank dimes. 1 quarter is 25 cents. So 25 times 4, 25 quarters times 4, which is the number of quarters we have, is 100 cents. 1 dime equals 10 cents. So 10 goes into 100 10 times, which would be our answer for number 4. Number 5, 2 dimes equals blank nickels. 1 dime equals 10 cents. So 2 dimes would equal 20 cents. 1 nickel equals 5 cents. So we have to find how many nickels go into 20 cents. And we can just do that by doing 20 divided by 5, which would be 4. So it'd be 4 nickels. 1 nickel equals blank dimes. So 1 nickel equals 5 cents. And 1 dime is 10 cents. So if we just divide these, then we get 0.5 dimes. This also checks out because 1 nickel is 2 times the amount of 1 dime. Number 7, 25 pennies equals blank quarters. We know that 1 quarter is equal to 25 cents, which is 25 pennies. So this would just be 1. Number 8, 5 dimes equals blank quarters. 5 dimes is 5 times 10 because 1 dime is 10 cents. So that'd be 50 cents. And 1 quarter is 25 cents. So 50 divided by 25 is 2 quarters, which is number 8. The answer for number 8. Number 9, 3 dimes equals blank nickels. Again, 1 dime is 10 cents. So 3 dimes would be 30 cents. 1 nickel is 5 cents. So 5 goes into 30 how many times? If we divide this, we get 6. So number 9 is 6. Number 10, 20 pennies equals blank nickels. We have to find how much times 5 goes into 20. And with division, we would get 4, which is number 10. 11, 6 quarters equals blank dimes. We multiply the value of 1 quarter by 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 2 plus 3 is 15. So we would have 150 cents. And 1 dime is 10 cents. So if we just divide it by 10, which we can do by just crossing out the 0, we would get 15.